Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, I want to jump in and talk about what on earth is going on right now with the general stock market. We've seen a roller coaster today where the stock market sold off after hours about 3%, then popped up, during literally within 20 minutes, added like $4 trillion of market cap, then immediately got sold off, and then it started getting some buying pressure, and then it's up after hours today. So it's like 1 minute you look at it and it's going up. The next minute you're looking at it and it's going down. In the past 3 days, it's down 15%. So what's going on? So what's the best approach? So let's talk about what's going on first. There's a lot of people talking about, is President Trump purposely crashing the market? And here's my opinion about this. Is he purposely crashing it? Probably not. And the reason I say that is because nobody hopes for a recession. But one of the things that he would want is for rates to come down for restructuring of debt. And I want to show you guys a couple of things. So this is when right now the government needs to refinance its debt. It's between January and June. Okay, right in this range, it's estimated about $9 trillion. So it's a lot of money. And given that one of, President Trump's main agendas is to cut down on spending, what's an easy way to cut down on spending? Obviously, figure out a way to lower rates. So one of the ways you can lower rates is to have a recession. This right here is just a basic little thing. Do rates go down in a recession? Yes. During a recession, interest rates tend to fall, as central banks like the Federal Reserve lower short-term interest rates to stimulate the economy and encourage borrowing and spending. So if you have $9 trillion to refinance, when is the best time to do that? Well, it's going to be when rates are lower. So this is another article here that I saw kind of explaining that there's two sides to this thing. And I kind of want to show you guys it here. So it's saying 1 second, he's saying he's doing it on purpose. So Donald Trump shares a video claiming he's purposely crashing the market, but then insists he doesn't want anything to go down. So it's kind of like that weird spot in my opinion. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you guys are investing into the stock market, I really think the best approach is to dollar cost average. Dollar cost averaging blue chip stocks and ETFs is going to be the best route. So for me, we've taken nice positions on Meta, VU, QQQ, Visa, Amazon, and Google. Now, one of the things here for a swing trade, now for those of you that don't know, I'm a full-time swing trader. One of the positions here that we took, and it's been performing relatively decent, was Root today. We got in and out with a nice $200 gain here. Hit that 90-day moving average line, got notified, went to the hourly, popped up here. As you guys can see, broke out above that trend line down here, went to a lower time frame like the 5-minute. Got in on this beautiful trend line going up, had a nice move from near and around the 109, just below this trend line here at about 117, about a 7% return. So yes, there is still opportunity in the market, but you just got to be careful. You just got to know what you're doing. And that's why having experience and all that stuff is crucial for trading the market. But for like investing, this is a really, really good opportunity to get in on positions, average, dollar cost average, in my opinion, is the best approach. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school, where we teach people how to find these stocks, our strategies, approaches, all that good stuff. And we have an awesome sale going on, for 51% off. So I'll see you guys in there. You guys can use code SPRING25 for 51% off. But overall, guys, it's hard to say if he's doing it on purpose. I think there's definitely sides, both sides to the story. So let me know in the comments what you guys think's going on, and I'll see you guys in there. And subscribe, and we'll see you guys. Take care, everybody.